We're at the jacuzzi, and my culito is cold right now. Bien calientes. Ah, I feel so good. Dude, my chile is so warm right now.
Bien cocinado.
It's like, so make sure, guys, that when you guys are doing a weight loss, you guys have to eat some pollito because it's good. What is it? Is it a protein? It's pollo protein. So this is my protein. This is a pollito paleta, artificial pollito in here. Ese pinche viejo que está atrás keeps looking. Pinche viejo pervertido. How about how, like, when I was fucking a chamaco, I used to eat these and feel like a badass bitch, cause I would feel like they were little cigarritos, like. But I've never smoked, so that's how I would feel like a badass. These are so fucking good. So my mom made some pozole. Tell me why she made pozole, like if she's gonna feed the whole country. So the way I like eating my pozole, guys, is in tostadas. So basically you put frijoles and then the carne and then the actual little thingies from the pozole. And these taste so bomb. Huh, Gabriel?
Yeah.
They taste so good. So I'm going through like some old family pictures, guys, and I found this picture of my mom when she was young, and tell me why she looks all espantada. Like, look at her, she's like, whoa, sister, that's me. Just kidding, that's not me. But that's a picture of my sister. And then there's me. There's me. My mom's always had this, guys, where it's like she takes pictures y se para como estatua. Violoncillo. Go. Buenas, 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 buenas acá con Gabriel. Síguete echando pedos, Marta. Pareces pinche matralleta. So we're doing a 3-day celebration, guys, for my birthday, and look at what my suegra did. This little mesita looks cute. The platitos. Hi, baby. So, you guys, we are here at an escape room. We have Alexis, Rudy, my boyfriend, Annette, and Irma. We're so excited. So, I'm reading the liability, and it's saying que si te mueres, like, they don't care. Like, literally. So, we're excited. Like, les vale. So, we're excited. We're about to send them with these really cool pens. So, yeah. I want to put this cachucha. But I look like a Petra with this hat.
Can I wear some glasses? Wait,
I look so funny. Hola, bienvenido. Soy el profesor Girafales. This, I feel so weird. I feel like I have a big ass cabezota with these glasses. Like, I already have a big ass cabezota in general, but this makes me look hella cabezon.
Sorry, I have to ask you guys too about payments.
Yes. He's like, sorry. Yes. Take my wallet, bitch.
It's a 28 per person.
Okay. So that was a clip, guys, of us already like adelantándolos. Like, we were already so excited that we didn't even pay, and the guy's like, about the payment. Hola, hola, ¿cómo están, amigos? About like how we're all like 19 and over, and we are acting like little chamaquitos, dude. Hey, 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 hey. Irma, look at me. Guys, so we're trying to get in, and Annette was forcing it that she freaking broke.
What do I do? Should I call the señor?
Dude, I think we should just leave.
No.
Because they're going to blame it on us, dude. What if they make you pay for that shit?
What do I do?
So, me and Annette, guys, decided to get matching bracelets in honor of our friendship. Are you excited? I don't know what we're going to get, low-key, but I'm so excited.
Dude, huele a mierda, dude.
Dude, we ate Jolly Beans today for Annette's mukbang, and huele a pinche perro, like, nasty. So we're trying stuff out, guys, and look how cute this one is. Looks so dope. Dude, this little chain looks so pretty. Yeah, you need to get that one.
That one.
That one.
I should get this one?
How
Yeah,
much is
it's
it? 500?
480.
500.
I think
Ooh,
I'm gonna
that's
have
cheap.
to get this one.
Yeah, that one's really nice.
Okay. I think I'm gonna take this one.
Oh no, actually.
And this is the one I'm
Yeah,
gearing towards, guys. It looks like a little perrito gear. It's so cute.
How does it feel?
But this is still
So,
a girl bracelet.
yeah, it's just so.
I
yeah.
do have it in the brown color.
Can I see it?
Yeah. let me
So
see
these
what's on the other
are
side.
our friendship bracelets, guys. Dude. We're officially a couple. Hi, guys. It's so cute. She's like massaging. Ow. Massages give me so much pain.
Yeah, but they're supposed to, dude.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh my god, I don't know if it's work. Culito, 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 cállate. Culo, 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 So Annette's getting money out, guys, and like her culito is like right here. I'm like, hello, pórtate bien, pórtate bien. So I be looking like mierda right now, but it's my boyfriend's birthday. He's at work, so we came to get him some stuff. We got him some balloons from La 99, and then we got him some really expensive flowers because he loves flowers. So guys, this is the setup we have so far. Le tenemos his flowers because he loves flowers. I even put in a pregnancy test because my boyfriend might be fucking pregnant. And then like his favorite snacks. He looks so pretty.
I'm lightheaded as fuck. We're blowing these up. I'm so lightheaded as fuck.
Bro, that looks huge. It literally does look like a
You like my
teta.
nipples out?
Hola, hola, mi amor.
Hello. Hi, sweetie.
Hi, sweetie. Oh, pelototas, pelotas, bolas, bolas, huevotes, huevotes. How about like you try to hit me and hit you in the face?
Yeah, I know. Hold on. Wait, let me.
Puros huevotes, grandotes. A chupar huevos. Oh, that literally looks like a teta, dude. Look, like in that angle, it looks like a little tit. And that's gonna. This makes the sound, guys, so it's gonna dance. El baile del patito, el baile del patito, el baile de caballo. So we just heard my boyfriend come. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, you fucking bitch. Wait, when he's opening the door. Hurry the fuck up, Irma.
What should we do?
So we're just say, happy birthday, bitch. Happy birthday, bitch.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Debe ser tan vicioso. Irma.